Make a great choice today with the 2014 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.